What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got another cool little install for you guys, something I actually needed. So we're going to be replacing right now, as you can see with the title and thumbnail of this video. We're going to got the Whiteline sway bar end licks for the front of the car, which we're going to be replacing because the ones I have went bad. The little boots on them, the rubber seals broke. It's, you know, crap and stuff has been getting in there from driving, debris, dirt and whatnot. And they're starting to squeal and kind of click a little bit. So it's time to change them out. I decided to go ahead and go with these Whitelines. The ones I had on there are the ones that came with my, the ones I have on there now are the ones that came with my D2 coilovers. So here they are. As you can see, I've already taken the tires off, the wheels, so it'll be easy, you know, didn't want to bore you guys with that. But these are my D2 coilovers, and they came already with adjustable end links. This guy here is what we're changing out. Just a quick little job. Just got a nut holding at the bottom one and another at the top. So they're already adjusted to the height that I need, so I shouldn't have to do any adjusting. But if you guys have stock ones, I'll show you how to adjust it properly. These should be good for me already, so I'm gonna make my white lines the same length as these, and just basically slap them on there and be good to go. But yeah, the guys, the little rubber here, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, see how it's splitting? It's all cracked and broken, so, and that's not good. You don't want that, because then all the dirt and water and stuff gets in there, and then it starts making the bushing inside go bad. You start hearing all kind of clanking noises whenever you're turning and going over bumps and stuff. And they both broke, actually. Look at that, the top and the bottom one are broken, and they're broken on both sides, so definitely time to replace these. And happy to announce that we're going to the nice new bigger, beefier Whiteline ones, so those should look pretty cool in here, even though you'll probably never see them really because the car's so low. But let's go ahead and get them on there, then we'll go for a ride and see if there's any difference in the ride quality. Hopefully there is, that'd be nice. But these things are massive, they're thick as hell. Once I take the other ones off, I'll put them next to each other to show you guys the difference in size. But these are adjustable. Now you don't really need many tools to do this. Just got two 17mm here, which I'm going to use basically to tighten. The one you're going to want to hold the actual end link, so like that. And then the other one at the same time you can use to tighten up the little nut at the top here for when you adjust it. So you're going to want two 17s. You're going to want a 5mm Allen key. If you don't know, that's what's going to go inside here, inside the bolt. There's actually, see how it's like an Allen key shaped. You use that to tighten this completely down all the way correctly. What you do is you just stick the Allen key in here like that, and then with a wrench you just start going at it, tightening it up. Use this side to hold it basically. So I'll do that. It's easy to do. I got a ratcheting wrench too, so it's gonna be easy. I'll just put the ratchet on there and then put the Allen key through it, and I can start ratcheting it, make it a lot easier for me, get good leverage, so I don't have to be going back and forth like this a whole bunch of times. So two 17s, the Allen key, 5mm. That's all you need to install these guys. They do come with the washers. So, and this brings a lot of them. You can basically two go on each end. So you're gonna put one washer in, slide this into the sway bar or the shock, whichever side you're doing, and then put the other washer on the other side, and then the nut. But besides that, the only tools you're gonna need are whatever you need to take your wheels off. So the jack, got it at my car on jack stands. I have a little impact there for the wheels. And yep, that's pretty much it. Okay, here it is, out the car. Look at the big difference in these guys, man. That's so much bigger. So that's a nice change. Should help, definitely help a lot more. Not as much flex. Completely different design, as you can see here. The ones that D2 gives you, they adjust down here, kind of in the center there. I don't know if that's gonna make it easier, or maybe it's probably easier to get to with the wrench. But again, look at the old ones, get a closer look here. See how broken this is. Also, let me see. Also with the end links, this is supposed to be, you know, somewhat stiff. You shouldn't be able to move it very easily. This side's good. It's not bad. It's pretty stiff. But I already tried this side, and look how easily that moves. So this is definitely no good. This is the end that got more messed up. I shouldn't be able to move this so easily like that. This should be more like this one. That takes a lot of force and a lot of strength to move it. So that's how you know your end link is bad. If it's just bouncing around like this guy is, that's no good. Alright, so you guys can see per Whiteline's instructions, put a washer on the back side and a washer on the front side of the strut there, and then put your nut on top and tighten it down. Now I'm already pretty close to the bottom matching up here. I would have to bend it a little bit up for it to fit, and it kind of fits right in already. So I probably won't have to do any adjusting, but we'll see. Because this, you want it to fit in easily while there is load on the strut. So what I'm going to do is I might just jack up the bottom of the strut here through the control arm. Just jack it up until it lifts off the jack, so that I know that there's load on the coil over here, and then try to put it in onto the sway bar and adjust as I need. Hopefully it doesn't need to be much smaller, because the Whiteline one is pretty much already as small as it can be. So I'm gonna go ahead, use the jack, lift the guy up, and see where it lands. Alright, so I got my jack underneath here. What I did is I put it right there at the end of the control arm. Got the 3 nuts from the ball joint on it. I'm just gonna start lifting it up. Alright, now that the car's off of the jack, I'm gonna go ahead and look at here. I'm gonna try to align this. It does come up short, so it doesn't quite reach it. That means I'm gonna have to extend this, make it a little longer. Alright, so I got the bar in, got the top ones tightened up all the way. Of course, we did that before putting the jack on the control arm here. We jacked it up. We got this to be pretty much 90-degree angle. That's where you want it. Now just gotta tighten up these little nuts here to hold it in place so it doesn't adjust anymore, and it'll be all set. You can go ahead and drop the jack, put the tire back on, and do the other side. And again, to tighten the ends, you're gonna want to get your 5mm Allen key, put it in there. And then, let's see, which way are we going for this? Righty tighty. From this way. Get your wrench. I got my ratcheting wrench. Just gonna shove it right through there. Start tightening up. That's okay that it fell. Don't need it right this second. I think it's got a couple more turns. Alright, there we go. Get the Allen key back on there. Where is it? There we go. Now, obviously you want to hold the Allen key in place while you're tightening up the nut. If not, the whole thing just spins in place there. And you just keep doing this until you get it tightened down all the way. Alright. go. Pop it off. Once you get it to a certain tightness, then the Allen key kind of becomes obsolete, and you can just go ahead and try to tighten it. There we go. There we go. That one's tightened out all the way. Now I'm gonna redo the top, make sure that one's tight all the way, and then tighten up the little lock nuts. We're all done. Alright, now I've got everything buttoned up. It's all tight. The whole thing is tight. The adjusting is nice and tight. By the way, another thing I'm gonna do is, I know I'm missing a few plastic clips here in the bottom. Some of them are actually kind of broken too, so I'm gonna go ahead and look at all the ones that are under here on the big plastic. I bought me a pack of them, of these little guys, the plastic push clips. Got them on eBay. There's the part number for the whole bottom big tray. So the bottom tray that holds the oil pan cover, the metal one, the big plastic one, it has all the big ones, and even for the front lip, it has all these big ones. But that is the part number there if you want to look it up. I got this on eBay, a 50 piece kit, and they look exactly like the OEM ones. I don't see no difference at all in them. And I paid like just under $6. It was like $5.80 or something like that. So again, you can just put in that part number on eBay's search bar and they should pop up. I bought me a 50 pack. They have a 100 pack too, but 50 should be more than enough. I'm not replacing that many, but I do have a few that were broken like this and only had one little tab to hold it in place instead of all four. So I'm gonna go ahead and start replacing these guys too. Quick little side note, just in case you need them. Alright guys, so we're all done. Got the passenger side in. There. Everything all tightened up, good to go. Looks awesome, love the gold. Over here to the driver's side. Also done. All put together, all tightened up, ready to go. Now I just gotta pop the wheels back on and put her down and let's go for a ride. Alright guys, so we're out in the car now, driving it around. Just pulled out of my driveway. Didn't hear any creaks or, rattles or anything like that, so I think we're in business. I have a pretty steep incline on my driveway, so I have to angle it pretty good, and usually, making the car hit that angle, you'll hear like a clicking sound from the links, and it didn't do it this time, backing out, so that was nice. Just went down this road, hit a few bumps. No more creaks or noises anymore, so that's good. It's definitely did your job. I don't feel too much of a difference in the driving experience itself, other than the fact that, I don't hear all the noises anymore. But it's nice, it's not bad. I feel like it might be a little more responsive on the steering wheel, I guess you could say. But I don't know if that's just me hoping that it is that way, and it made an improvement, or if it really did make an improvement, which I'm sure it did. I mean, going from bad bushings to good ones, obviously is going to make a difference. And the bar being a lot thicker, I'm sure helps too. There should be a lot less flex, if there was any flex to begin with. Definitely a lot less flex now if there was. So yeah, here we go. About to take it on the turnpike again. We did a couple turns already, now let's try to do some speed. Doesn't really help with speed, it's more of a turning mod for handling, but we'll go. God, this car is so fun. Like usual. By the way, I don't know if I'm getting used to it or it's just starting to break in more, but I don't feel the car vibrating as much from the hatchback mounts. It's definitely still there and noticeable, but I don't feel like it's that as bad as it was when I first put them on. And I've only done like I want to say like 150 miles. Yeah. Yeah, since I did the install, I've put about 150 miles in the car. And it already feels a bit smoother. So that's nice. Really happy about that. Also, if you guys didn't know, if you're new to the channel, I am doing a giveaway on the Unity Performance side markers, the switchback ones that have the turn signal feature. So all you gotta do is be subscribed to the channel, like any of the videos on my channel, and I've been asking for people's Instagram names, that way I can contact them, you know, if they win. I was gonna put those names into drawing, basically an automatic drawing system, and whatever name got picked out, you know, that was the winner. And obviously it being your Instagram name, I can go on Instagram and go ahead and send you a message and to let you know that you won. So if you can, if you have an Instagram account, go ahead and put down your Instagram name and down in the comments to this video, or any of my videos really, if you see it on another one. But again, if you're new, you're probably gonna see it on this video. So put your Instagram name down below in the comments, and I'll go ahead and add you to the list. And as soon as we hit 2,000 subscribers, which we're not that far away, I'll go ahead and do the drawing and announce the winner. So if you guys are interested in those, go ahead and subscribe, and like I said, leave me your Instagram name. But yeah guys, the legs are working great. No more sounds, no more rattles, no more squeaks. It's handling good. Very happy with it. You know, good, easy, simple mod. Anybody can do it at home. You just do a couple hand tools like I showed you. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching to this point if you did. Thanks for staying till the end. I really appreciate that. It does help me out. The longer people watch my videos, the more YouTube recommends them to other people, so that's always good. Obviously more views is better, so we can grow the channel faster and hurry up and get to that 2,000 subscriber and beyond, and I can keep doing more giveaways. The next one is probably going to be something a bit better. I'm trying to think of stuff that's good, that'll fit on every Civic and not like just a hatchback or just a sedan or just a coupe. You know, I want everybody to have a chance to win and everybody to want to enter and win something. So that's why we did the last fit lights before, and then now we're doing the Unity Performance side markers because it fits on all the Civics, even the Type R's. Again, and let's see, hopefully next week, we'll see, man, either next week or the week after. I'm planning on finally taking the car to the dyno, getting it tuned, and see what this W2 turbo can do. So again guys, I hope you enjoyed the videos. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Until next time, take care and have a great day.